Today we are going to discuss about the lead code second question. That is find maximum balanced XOR subarray length. So given an integer array nums, return the length of the longest subarray that has a bitwise XOR of 0 and contain equal number of even and odd numbers. If no such subarray exists, return 0. So what they are saying is they will be given an array. We have to find a subarray long that should be longest length, and that subarray should have equal number of even numbers and equal number of odd numbers. I mean, how many even numbers are there, that many odd numbers should be there in that subarray. And at the same time, the XOR of all those elements in that subarray should be 0. So this is the question. If we take the example here, like we have given 31320. So here if we take from, like we have this 3 and 2, like if you see here 0 second index to third index, we have each one. But one condition is satisfied, that is that has equal number of odd and even elements. But the thing is, the XOR of this is not equal to 0. The XOR of this is 1. So this is not the thing. But if we take from this to this, okay, then if we take from here to here, then the subarray has equal number of odd elements and even elements. And at the same time, if you see here, we have like the XOR of this subarray from first index to the last index. If we take the subarray XOR of this, then that is 0. See, okay. So then the second question we have like 8. So how we will discuss? So if we take this 3, 2, 8, 5, 4, 14, 9, 15. So this is the array which they have given. So see, normally if we divide this problem into two things, like we have to find like the subarray. Already we have this pattern, right? So finding the subarray length, or finding the longest subarray length which has equal number of even and odd. And we have another question. Okay, we can divide it into the two ways. So the first one is equal number of, okay, sorry for the writing anyway, equal number, okay, equal number, okay. And the other one is uh, so XOR of the subarray should be equal to target. Okay, we have already this pattern. Okay, if we combine these two pattern, like we cannot follow one pattern. Okay, we have to combine these two pattern. Okay, so then only we can actually answer. If it is one, then simply we can use the hash map and we can store the element, and uh, we can directly do that. But so what's the thing here is, um, okay, so if we see here how we can solve problem is, we know that, okay, what uh, the XOR of the element, let us say from here to here it is EA, okay, from here to here it is B, XOR of this, okay, from whole this is A XOR B, okay, let us say B is, which is target, which is equal to target. Okay, in order to get B, then what we can do means A cross B again A. Okay, like that we can do in order to get B. In order to get A, what we can do means whatever the answer is there, A cross B and cross B. So we have like B, okay, that is target, and we have this value which is the XOR up to here. Okay, up to whatever element you are getting. So for only one thing is we have to find in the hash map whether A is there or not. So this is how we were able to find like longest subarray length of the XOR. Okay, but here we have to combine these two things. Okay, so if we take here, here I have written like, see, I have taken hash map. In that, like we know that in order to get the odd or even equal subarray length, then we have to find like if it is even, then we have to add one. If it is odd, then we have to subtract minus 1 from the present. So then I'm taking XOR. So as I said I need a pair. Okay, I can use like pair, like that, but it will be taking kind of complication. So instead of that, only I have to search like whether that key is there or not. So anyway, the numbers are not large also, so we can just use like this. And then I am finding like what is the maximum one. Then without within that, okay, so I'm searching that whether that key is there or not, and if that key is there, then I'm finding the length. Okay, then if that key is not there, as we need the longest subarray, so we need longest subarray. So first time whenever that key is occurring, in that way I'm storing. So at last I'm returning the answer. So how I have done means, wait, let me show you. Okay, well, okay. I think this thing. Okay. So if I write here 31320, the problem is 31320. Okay. Okay. So if we take here, the thing is 31320. So what I will do means, at every stage, if it is even, like I'll be calculating. If it is odd, then I'll be keeping it as minus 1. Okay, so this is odd, so it's minus 2, and odd it is minus 3, and here it is even. So it is like, it will become to minus 2, and it's even, it will become to minus 1. Okay, so if you see here, the XOR of this is 3. I will be checking whether this pair, okay, 3 uh, cross minus 1, this pair is existing, or you can do ulta like minus 1, like anyway it's string. So as I in the code I'm written like this, so I'm going with this. So we can search whether this key is there or not. So if this key is there, not there in the hash map, so I will be storing it in the hash map. Okay, this key, okay, the hash map should be kind of bigger. So yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. Anyway, it's again smaller, so cross. So yeah, as I need the longest subarray, so that's why I am storing like the first occurring of that element, so zeroth index. Then I'm going for the next. Okay, so if I see here, this is minus 2, and the XOR of 3 and 1 is 1110, it's 1101, so it is like 2. Okay, I will be checking that minus 2 comma 2 is there in that in the hash map or not. So it is not there, then I will be adding this one again. uh, uh, Minus 2 and 2, that it is, as it is not there, so I'll be adding. Okay, next I'll be going here. It's minus 3 and the XOR of 2 cross 3 is how much? 1011, so it's 1. So I'll be checking whether this pair minus 3 comma 1 is existing or not. It's not existing, so simply I will be putting it in the hash map. So minus 3 uh, comma 1 comma 2. Okay, okay, then I'll be going for other one. So here this is minus 2, and then the XOR of 1 2 is so it's 3. Okay, so I will be checking whether the pair minus 2 cross 3 is existing or not. As it's not existing, so again here it's extending, so again I will be storing this. Okay, okay, index is 3. Then I'll be going here. So after going here, I'll be checking whether minus 1 and 3 cross 0 is 3. So this pair is existing or not. Yeah, this pair is existing, so that's at 0. So I will be like 3 minus 0 plus 1. So this is the length of that subarray, I mean from here to here. Okay, so yeah, this is at zeroth index, and 0 1 2 3 4 4 4 minus 0, so zeroth index. So in this way we will be solving this problem. And the time complexity of this is, as I am traversing over each one, and I am finding like whether the pair is existing or not. So the order of n is the time complexity is order of n. So if we see the constraint, yeah, that will be better. And coming to the space complexity, so in the worst case I will be storing each string key and the index, so which will again take order of n. Okay, so if we see here, in order to search in the hash map whether that value is there or not, anyway it's actually order of 1, but somewhere if we take internally it's log of n if n elements are placed. In worst case, this is the thing, I'm going to log in. So this is the thing. So as we have discussed the space complexity and time complexity, so this is the one. Actually, this is one of the beautiful question which I came across. So yeah, thank you.